Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Logistics Leader's Important News of the Day. Data-driven technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, are increasingly vital for manufacturing companies to optimize operations. A data mesh, a decentralized data management architectural principle, can aid in implementing AI. This approach treats data as a manageable and ownable product, leading to enhanced data quality, integration, scalability, and fostering business self-service. AI implementation at scale requires high-quality, integrated, governed, and discoverable data, which is often hindered by traditional, centralized data management architectures. Data mesh shifts this paradigm towards a decentralized approach, empowering domain experts and encouraging collaboration. This architecture can reduce costs, increase efficiency and productivity, enabling swift responses, innovation, and providing a competitive edge. Brands like Adidas, JP Morgan, Michelin, and Equinor have already adopted data mesh architecture, enabling the breakdown of data silos, democratization of data, fostering a culture of collaboration, and driving innovation. It also enhances the accuracy and efficiency of AI models. Bridget?
That's fascinating, Holly. Another important thing to mention is KPIs. Key Performance Indicators, KPIs, for organizations employing data mesh architecture include AI-powered predictive maintenance, proactive quality control, supply chain optimization, customer insights, sustainability/energy efficiency, and innovation. Specifically, data mesh facilitates integrating IoT data with AI models for predictive maintenance, assists teams in building their own quality control models, supports supply chain data domain management, provides a framework for customer data integration, allows teams to manage their energy usage data, and democratizes data for wider stakeholder access and innovation. In essence, a data mesh with AI is critical for manufacturing companies to optimize operations, provide customer value, and maintain competitiveness. This approach offers numerous benefits, including predictive maintenance, enhanced quality control, supply chain optimization, and sustainability efficiency. This, in turn, propels innovation, accelerates decision-making, and provides a competitive edge. Like and subscribe for more cutting-edge news articles by the leader in logistics information. Join the community, feed the movement.